Hey guys, today I'll be upgrading the RAM on my 27-inch iMac. So here we have the Corsair Vengeance RAM, which is clocked at 1600 megahertz, and the unboxing is fairly simple. You got the documentation and you have two sticks which is 8 GB each, and that's about it. That's all what you get inside the box. So now in order to insert the RAM, you need to remove the power cable, and here you can actually see there is a button in order to remove the RAM cover, and there are some instructions that are written on the RAM cover on how to remove the RAM tray. And once you do that, here you can actually see there are two slots. So firstly I'm going to insert the first stick into the first slot, and then I'm going to insert the second stick. At first I was a little bit worried in pushing the RAM all the way in, but you actually need to push the RAM all the way in order to make sure that it actually fits, otherwise it might not detect it. So once everything is done, you need to place the cover back on and you need to connect the Mac. And once you do that, you go to the about this Mac section, and there you can actually see there is 24 GB of RAM that is being installed, and now you're good to go. But actually this iMac can actually accommodate up to 32 GB of RAM, but I'm just going to stick with what I have. So this has been a quick video. I hope you liked it. If you do so, please make sure to hit the like button and share this video. It will be very helpful. And check me out on Facebook and Twitter. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more videos like this. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.